Our special additives improve the unique properties of many products that surround us in our everyday life. They are used as release agents in thermosets, such as car bonnets, or in construction material as hydrophobic agents. They determine the properties of polymers, from toys to household appliances and packages. But how can you optimally adapt your end product to market requirements? Simply contact our staff around the world, and we'll be happy to help. Our experts are committed to find the optimal solution to your problem. We provide you local service and active support to create the perfect result for your process and application. However, a successful product not only needs to be of impeccable quality, but also to be sustainable. How can plastic be recycled without sacrificing quality and losing functionality? Our Baerlocher team takes the role of your trusted advisor in the recycling process. For example, in the processing of recyclate to new film products. Baerlocher. We add character to plastics.